Welcome to another edition of English Makes No Sense. Today we're going to take a look at do versus make right here on the English Makes No Sense YouTube channel. It is I, SL Rockfish. This is the YouTube channel where we learn some English, we have some fun, and we increase our English fluency. If you like what you see, please hit subscribe. And if you want to see shorter versions, check me out on TikTok and Instagram at English Makes No Sense. Today we're going to take a look at do versus make. You already said that. I know, but I'm going to say it again. Do is a verb. Make is a verb. I get this question a lot. What's the difference? Let me tell you. Come on. Do. Oh yeah, it looks like dough because there's a D and an O. How do we get an ooh sound? I don't know. But it's dough. It's do, not dough. Do. It means repetitive actions or tasks or obligations. What does that mean? It's the action itself. Do you like to do your homework? No, I do not. Got it? It's action. Then we have make is used to create something. Like the result of the action. I like to make videos. I do enjoy learning English, and I like to make videos about how to learn English. Oh, for example, do your homework, make good grades. Do the laundry, make the clothes clean. Do the cooking, make the dinner. Now, I get this question a lot too. What about make the bed? Well, you're not actually creating the bed, but you are creating a nicer place to sleep. So, make your bed is always the way we use that. We don't say do your bed. We say make your bed. We also say make time for friends. Can we create time? No, but we can create the time that's allowed to hang out with your friends. What? Yeah, I know. It's kind of crazy, but that's how we do it. We make time. We create a time where we can see our friends. We make our bed. We make time. Got it? Now, let's review. Do is for repetitive tasks, obligations, the action itself. Make is used to create the result of the action. Again, do your homework, make good grades. Got it? Now, you can read and understand these sentences, I hope. I like to make fun content. It is what I do. Do you have something you like to do, or is it make? What? Come on, English.